In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credits to Replit. If you're using Replit for hosting, running projects longer, or tapping into extra features, credits are what power that additional usage. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the option, what to expect on the page, and what to do if you don't see the button right away. First, look to the very top left corner of your Replit window and click the Replit icon. This is the main entry point to your account controls. Depending on the current interface, it may look like the Replit logo or open a primary menu. Either way, clicking it is the quickest way to get to your account area. Next, select Account. This takes you to your account dashboard, where your profile, plan, and usage details live. Think of this as the central place for personal settings and anything related to billing or credits. Once you're on the account page, go to the Billing section. You'll typically find billing listed in the left-hand sidebar or as a tab across the top, depending on layout updates. Open it to view your current plan, any existing credits, and your available billing actions. On the billing page, you should see an option to buy more credits. It might be labeled Buy Credits or Add Credits. Click that. Choose the amount that fits your needs, and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. Take a moment to review the total cost before you proceed. After confirming, your credit balance should update shortly. If it doesn't appear right away, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. If you don't see an option to buy credits, that generally means your account needs at least the Replit Core plan to enable pay-as-you-go usage. In that case, choose the Core subscription from the same billing area. The Core plan unlocks the ability to purchase additional credits as you need them. Once Core is active, return to billing, and the Buy Credits button should be available. This approach keeps your base subscription predictable while letting you scale usage by topping up credits only when necessary. And there you go. That's all you need to add credits on Replit. Remember, the interface can evolve over time, so labels and placement might shift slightly, but the path remains the same. Open the Replit icon, head to Account, go into Billing, and use the Buy Credits option. If it's missing, activate the Core plan first. Keep an eye on your credit balance so you can top up before you run out, and you'll keep your projects running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy building.